Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would help you to grow your lashes. Okay, this remedy is actually going to help you to also grow your eyebrow and make it really thick and healthy. I am on this journey too because I basically rub only on my eyebrow and it's been growing it, so I also want to rub it on my eyelashes so that it could grow long, healthy and black. Yeah, so let me take you right into this video, show you all of those ingredients, apply it, and let's start this journey together. Okay, let us go. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video. And for super longer lashes, we're going to be needing to use aloe vera. Okay, so you can actually use the natural aloe vera or this particular one. Okay, this actually helps so much in making your eyelashes grow really long, stops it from breaking, and it is also very good for the skin. Yeah, okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be putting in about 1 teaspoon, because we actually do not need too much of the aloe vera. And this is it. Yeah, and then the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is vitamin E oil. Now vitamin E oil is a great and natural remedy that helps to increase the length of your hair, it increases the thickness, and it also stops split ends. Okay, using it on your lashes would help your lashes grow really fast, thick and really full. Okay, I'm gonna be putting just a few drops of this vitamin E oil. Now if you have vitamin E capsule, you can equally use it, and it's actually very good and very effective too, because it's a very solid oil that contains a lot of vitamin E and as well as vitamin C too. Okay, so after putting that in, you have to be stirring it, giving it a stir. And then the next thing we're going to be needing is olive oil. Now this is a great oil that works wonders on the skin. It helps also for the hair. It helps to grow the hair, and it makes your hair grow super duper young. And it's also a great remedy for a large and open pores. So using it for the eyelashes is going to make it grow super thick and long. So we're going to be putting just a few of that, which is about 1 teaspoon of that, and then we're just going to mix it all up. Okay, so the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is coconut oil. Now coconut oil is a great oil for the skin. It works so well for the hair. If you're having dandruff around your lashes area, do not skip this particular ingredient, which is coconut oil, because it is way important for this ingredient. It will help so much in making your hair grow long, your eyelashes grow really thick and really full. So we're equally going to be using about 1 teaspoon of that, and basically this is what we're going to be needing for a longer hair, a fuller hair, and a very snatched eyelashes. Okay, so let's go and apply this and see how it helps us grow back our fallen lashes. So you can actually apply this every day for the space of a few weeks, and your eyelashes is going to grow back really fast. and really soon. So guys, this is your eyelashes and eyebrow cream, and you can see, like, literally my lip is actually turning really pink. It is not because I am so like I want a pink lip. It's actually because I scrub out my lips with all of these natural remedies every day or every other day. Sometimes I forget to do that, but it's okay. So for my eyebrow also, I'm actually like beginning the journey of wanting it to grow really well. So I'm gonna be applying this remedy. Now when you're applying it, you have to apply it in both ways, like carrying the hair up like this and applying it so that the cream can actually get inside your hair follicles. Yeah, just like that. Okay, let's do the eye. And when you are applying at your under eye, you do not need to apply too close. Just apply at this place. The hair down there will just fetch it, and it's gonna touch everywhere. Okay. Now after that, then you have to go back and take it backward. Sometimes I get lazy applying all of these things. Okay, when you apply it and you feel that it's getting into your eyes, feels like it's getting into my eyes, you just have to clean a little because you still have much of it. Sometimes I get lazy applying some of these things on my lashes. Okay, so sometimes I get lazy applying some of those things on my lashes, that's why I kind of, my lashes are actually not growing really full. So I'm like, okay, I want to grow my lashes and grow my eyebrow. Okay, so you just use this as often as you can. Just like me, I'm literally lazy, but showing you this is amazing. Yeah, so you can apply this as often as you can, and it's actually going to help your eyebrow grow. Look at my eyebrow though, it's been shaped. I shaped it yesterday and it's awesome. Let's go. Okay guys, so that's it. It is as simple as that. You are gonna be loving it the minute you are consistent and apply it for at least 1 week or 2, okay, and you are going to be seeing the difference. The difference is going to be so enormous and so visible. Yeah, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video, and I'll come your way again. Bye guys.